Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rural Solutions. Today's video about Java. We must understand the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM before proceeding further to Java. JDK, JRE, JVM. As you can see the diagram, JVM is a subset of JRE and JRE consists of Java class libraries plus JVM. And JDK consists of development tool plus JRE. I hope this diagram will really help you. This diagram clearly says that JVM is a subset of JRE and JRE is a subset of JDK. Now we will learn some theory about it. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it does not physically exist. A specification provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled to Java. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE and JDK are platform dependent because the configuration of each OS is different for each other. However, Java is platform independent. There are three notions of Java, JVM, specification, implementation and instance. The JVM performs the following main tasks: loads the code, verifies the code, execute the code, and provides runtime environment. Now comes the JRE. JRE is an acronym for Java Runtime Environment. It is also written as Java RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. It is used to provide the runtime environment. It is implementation of JVM. It physically exists. It contains a set of libraries plus other files that JVM uses at runtime. The implementation of JVM is also actively released by other companies besides Sun Microsystem. JDK. JDK is an acronym for Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit, JDK, is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications and applets. It physically exists. It contains JRE plus development tools. JDK is an implementation of any one of below given Java platforms released by Oracle Corporation: Standard Edition Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java Platform, Micro Edition Java Platform. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine and a few resources such as an interpreter loader, that is Java, a compiler JavaC, an archiver jar file, a documentation Java doc, etc. to complete the development of Java application. I hope you must have learned that JVM is Java virtual machine and it is a subset of JRE, and JRE consists of JVM plus set of libraries, and JDK consists of JRE plus development tools, etc. For example, JavaC, Java. This should be very clear that what is JDK, what is JRE and what is JVM, because if you know about these, you are clear what you're going to be studying. So it's very important for learning these before continuing to the Java. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. I hope you are learning, and if you have any problem, please write in the comment box. I will try to sort the problems. And do follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and grow day by day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love.